Sam. Sam, ka na. Come here, Sam. Dali, pasok ka. Halika na.
Are you going to Daddy first?
Yeah, we're going to Daddy first.
But I want to go to the playground first.
Huh?
I want to go to the playground first. Mommy.
Hello.
Mommy, I want
Yeah,
to go
April.
to the playground first.
We're going to Daddy first. We go because Daddy work's finished. Why, you don't like to see your daddy? Huh? You're sleepy na naman. Sabi ko na, matulog ka muna eh. Ito tayo pupunta. Where are we going?
To the
To the
playground, to the two playgrounds, and we will go to Daddy, and we will go.
You'll go to Daddy first.
Then we will go to
Yeah, we will
food
fetch
class.
Daddy. Yeah.
And what's that, Mommy? What's that?
Starbucks.
No, it's not Starbucks.
What? It's a supermarket.
It's not a supermarket.
Then what it is?
I don't
Then what
know.
is that?
I don't know.
It's supermarket.
But Mommy, why we did not go there?
We already went there, but it's long time ago. It's like,
When I was a baby?
maybe 2 years. No, 1 year back. 1 year ago.
When I was born?
No. That's your favorite playground.
Close this.
Sleepy? Your favorite playground, no? Over there.
Where? Where?
In front of you.
There. Now I'm gonna kiss your cheek. Your lipstick on your cheek. Dinosaur world?
Yeah, dinosaur world. No,
Why?
you're the one who said that, not me.
Let me ask you.
What? Where are you going? I love barbecue. So, barbecue. Come here. Huh?
I love
I love barbecue.
But I'm
Tonight,
going- What?
you want to eat barbecue? Yeah?
Oh.
You like barbecue?
No.
You stand there, Samuel. Stand there. Go.
Why?
Dito sa kabila. Dito.
Why?
Pipicturean kita. Doon ka. Usod ka doon. Dali. Usod ka. Dito, anak. Dito. Dito. Come here. Sama mo here. Dito, stand there, oh. Sa gitna. What kind of pose is that? Spider-Man? Sige, Spider-Man. Hello? Where are you going?
Oh, let's go straight.
You want to go up?
What?
You want to go up?
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Oh, wow.
There's nothing in there.
Wow.
Dito sama, see?
What? It's the whole city. Kuika, kuika.
Hmm?
I miss this move. I want to take a picture riding it.
You want to take a picture?
Riding it.
No, baka mahulog ka.
Is this side is work?
No, on the other side.
There?
Yeah, you want to go there? Huh? You want? You want to go near to Daddy's place?
Yeah.
Liga.
And Daddy was,
You want to surprise Daddy?
yeah, standing there.
Huh?
Standing there.
What you will do when you see Daddy?
No! Like that. I will do that.
Saan? Saan? Ay nako, gusto pumunta dun sa I Love Barbecue. Ang lamig-lamig eh. Ha? Dali.
That?
You want to take a picture? Hmm?
Mommy, I'm making here.
What are you?
I'm an AMG.
Seriously, vamos.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, come out! Yeah. Mm.
Who's taller than everything? What?
I don't know.
It's Jesus. Huh? It's Jesus.
Jesus? Tigay ito. Samuel, look at family ka doon. Kiss mommy. Lamig? You feel cold?
No,
Ha?
I'm Jesus.
Naku, ang lamig-lamig sobra.
Mommy, who's Jesus? Who?
Jesus!
Who's Jesus?
The Son of God.
What?
The Son of God. You love Jesus? His birthday is so near.
What?
His birthday is so near.
Jesus?
Yeah, Jesus.
Jesus?
Mm-mm.
Jesus?
Yes!
What? What is
Ano na lang, mga 10 minutes na lang darating na yung start. Puntahan natin si Daddy? Puntahan natin si Daddy.
That's work
Saan?
inside the diamond?
Saan?
The diamond store is that is work?
Diamond?
Store.
Ah,
Work.
so lamig.
Getting stronger.
Yeah.
And stronger.
Yes.
And too much stronger.
So much stronger what?
Will close by itself.
Yeah.
Like that one.
But we need to be very careful now because maybe the car is coming on the other side.
No cars are there. This side.
Yan. Dito sa building na to. Tara, puntahan natin si Daddy. Pero hindi pa ako nakakapasok dito kay Daddy sa sa building na to eh. Pero baka sa likod yung ano. Baka sa likod. You will surprise Daddy?
That looks like Kinder and Kit car.
Where?
That one.
Ah, because of the color.
Yeah, it's gray. Why everything is gray?
Huh?
Like, why everything is gray like that? And
Here.
that one. We will go in. That is work.
Yeah, here we go. 11.
11. We will go. 1. It's M.
Huh?
It's M.
Yeah, but we're going to first floor.
First floor.
Yeah.
Ah,
Okay, dali.
Let's go here.
But, di alam ni Daddy na pupunta tayo sa kanya.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
He didn't know.
Yeah.
He was surprised, Daddy.
Yeah.
Sabi ni Daddy,
Wait.
surprise, Daddy!
I don't.
Uy, actually, ayun ni Daddy, pupunta tayo sa work niya. Hindi niya nga sinasabi sa akin yun eh. He's not telling me where exactly his office.
But we know it now.
Yeah. Wait, wait. Wait.
Daddy will go outside there.
Yeah. Wait lang. He saw you? He saw you? He saw you? Wait. Someone is praying, that's why. He looks like what? Happy or angry? Isip po na ako sa lamig eh. Angry? Ano, hindi natin sa surprise si Daddy. Angry si Daddy.
Sacho, he's happy.
He's happy. He is my happy. He is my dreams. Yeah, 1 minute na lang. Hmm? Out na si Daddy ng mga ano na lang, mga 50 seconds. Hindi ko lang alam kung lalabas talaga siya ng mabilis. Hmm? Kitty will do ni si Daddy.
I'll be quiet.
Will be quiet?
Yeah. And Daddy cannot see us.
No. Daddy's office is very silent. Huh? Not same Mommy's office.
Yeah.
Because
What?
uwian na nila. Tapos na.
Praying.
Yeah. Tiyan mo?
They're going out, Daddy.
Yeah. Going out. Inuubo na ako, tsaka sinisipo na si Mami. Sobrang lamig kasi.
Sipon, you got a cold?
Yeah. Nisipo na. I love you too.
I'll say that to Daddy.
Huh?
I'll say that to Daddy.
What you will say to Daddy?
I love you.
Baka na bad trip si Daddy kasi pinuntahan natin siya. Ayaw niya kasi dito, pinupuntahan siya. He doesn't want that, he doesn't want us to be here. He doesn't want. Because maybe he feels shy.
Maybe he feels sad. Maybe he feels...
Huh?
Maybe he feels...
No. Because he's thinking that we are just waiting outside for him. He didn't know that we're here already. Diba?
And he saw me.
Yeah.
And I said like this.
And then, what happened when he
you're
saw you?
praying,
What happened when he saw you?
he do like...
Huh?
Like that.
What?
He do like this.
Like that?
Like that.
Sige nga. Oh, ano? It's like angry ni Daddy.
Wait, miss. I'm gonna wait here.
Huh?
I'm gonna wait here. I'm praying. I do this always.
Huh? Ano si Daddy? Ayan, yung reaction niya dito, sinasabi niya, bakit kami pumunta? Bakit ganun? Ayaw niya kasi kaming pinapapunta sa office. Tsaka never niya talaga sa akin sinabi saan exactly yung office niya. As in, 5 years na yata or 4 years din niya pa sinasabi sa akin kung saan. What?
Mommy video me the night.
The whole time?
Yeah.
Because you're so cute. I find you cute, anak. Cute, cute. Show me your daddy's face. Show me. Ano, Mar? Ano, Shai? Ano nangyari?
Mo.
Ano na ito na? Oo. Dadashoot daw si daddy.
Picture, mommy.
You don't like?
Yeah.
Introduce yourself. Isa yung nakapag-share kasi dito na Syria. Yung procurement manager.
Mommy.
Epic si Samuel
I don't want you to do what I'm with daddy.
Huh?
I don't want you to do what I'm with daddy.
Okay. But I love your daddy too.
What?
I love you both.
Why did you not say that when I'm in my...
Ha? Ayaw na ayaw talaga ni Sam nakikita kami nagjo-jowa time or nagbi-video together. Sam,